Okay, guys, I couldn't get to do this today because it was actually raining out, and I will prove to you that it was raining out. Look, I did not wash the car. There's no soap on the ground. You can't even see stars out, but there it goes again. This is what I have in my car. I have paper towels, rubbing compound. It is Cyrax. Soapy water for scratches. I'll show you what it does. If it that ain't a scratch, but if scratch disappears, then that means it's clear coat. It's the clear coat that's actually scratched. And then right here I have my nozzle, and yes, this nozzle is very powerful. I'll go over the features of it tomorrow. There are my dash lights right there. I will turn them on for a couple seconds. That's it, because it is about 10 o'clock here. Naturally, I'm supposed to be at work right now, but I called in sick. It's not catching it at all, is it? Don't worry, the reason why you're not seeing all the lights on is because the camera isn't catching it. But yeah, guys, here, I will rev it once. There. Adios.